This is a story of how I landed a $2,000 copywriting client as a total beginner. So I just left a commission-only sales job that I really didn't enjoy because I didn't like selling and I didn't believe in the product that we were selling either. I moved into a share house in my hometown of Sydney with not much money to my name. And while I'd gotten my first ever copywriting client by attending a marketing seminar, that client's job was ending and I needed a way for finding more clients. Now, I'd already found my first client at a marketing event. And if you want to hear the full story about how I landed a part-time copywriting job that lasted a full year, click on the link in the description below the video for the full story. So luckily one day, I stumbled upon a copywriting forum, which back in 2004 was a rare thing, way before Facebook groups. And even though I was a beginner without much experience, I made an effort to log on to this forum every single day to read the latest posts, to ask questions, and to interact with the other members there. And while some people might avoid other freelance copywriters because they see them as competition, I actually see them as allies and potential partners who can help us grow our business. So after interacting in the forum for a few weeks, I decided to reach out to the owner of the forum, ask him a couple of questions, and to see if he could help me out. So my private message was something like this. Hi name, my name is Jesse and I'm new to freelance copywriting. I've been studying and practicing copywriting for a few months and I really love what you do. If you're ever too busy with client work and need the help of a dedicated copywriter, do let me know. I've attached some recent portfolio examples to show you what I'm capable of. Thanks, Jesse. To my surprise, he replied, and he asked if I would rewrite a part of one of his existing sales headers to test my skills. I quickly did that, and a couple of days later, he replied, impressed with my work, and agreed to refer clients to me when it became overworked with too many clients of his own. And a few weeks later, he referred me my next client, which turned out to be a $2,000 job for writing a sales header for a Japanese toothbrush. I was reliable, professional, easy to work with, and fast. And that's why he continued referring clients to me for a full 2 years after I first reached out to him. I was able to work with some really big names, including Jay Abraham, America's #1 marketing maverick, and also Dr. DeMartini from The Secret. All of these clients came from that one freelance copywriter who I had the courage to reach out to way back then in the beginning of my career, all because I was active in an online copywriting forum. So what can you learn from my story and how can you apply these experiences into your own life to attract your first or next copywriting client? The lesson here is you want to network with other freelance copywriters. When you do that, don't just ask for work, but also ask what you can do for them. You want to be someone that gives value as opposed to just asking for help. That might be rewriting some of their existing copy, introducing them to people that you know, or other ways that you can add value to their lives. By doing this, you can start off a great relationship where you refer each other business and support each other's growth. So, what forums can you join today to go and meet and network with other freelance copywriters who could help you grow your freelance writing business? I recommend checking out Facebook groups, Reddit groups, or even just Googling freelance copywriting forums to see what you can find. Well, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, you'll probably enjoy my free guide, How to Become a Successful Freelance Copywriter. You can check it out by clicking on the link below this video. And of course, I'd appreciate if you'd like this video, leave a comment, and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.